What's up YouTube? We back with another video. In today's video we're going to be doing a full wrap on this 430i. We're going to be doing another BMW. We already took the windshield trims off and we're going to be fully disassembling. We're about to wash this thing, get it ready for the wrap. We're going to be doing a crazy color shifting wrap on this one, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I'll show you guys the color here in a second. Alright guys, we got the car all cleaned off. We're about to dry it off and get started on this thing tomorrow. Just do a quick walk around. Got some new taillights. the reflectors in the rear, and this thing will be completely done. Guys enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna do a quick montage of the whole car walking around, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. The car looks clean. This nice lavender teal kind of purplish pink look. We also added the carbon mirror caps and the spoiler on the rear, and we did like a custom look so the black